just got done from work. I got called in one of my days off. Left my house wicked early so I could try to fish for like 2 hours before work, and I slapped the shit. The point of this video is, when I started out this morning, I was getting bites, and I felt them. So I'm sitting there, cast out, soft plastic, extra wide gap hook. I have a craw on there. I feel a little tick, 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 tick. And I go, ah. And then tick, 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 ah. And then I lean in, tick, 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 ah. I'm giving it more line, tick, 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 huh? Tick, 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 hard pull. I go to set the hook. I lean back like this. The soft plastic and hook come flying back beyond, like behind me. Okay. What was that? What I was doing was I was setting the hook straight up over my non-dominant shoulder as to reel down and keep pressure on it. And then I feel it lean in, give it more line. I feel the line run. I lean in more. I feel a tick, tick, tick. I go to set the hook. I grab the reel. I reel down and I pull up. And that lure comes straight up by me again. It happened probably 5-6 times. So then the next time I'm casting, I'm like, okay, well, I got to do something different. That's not working. So cast it out and let it sink. Do the same thing. I feel the tick, tick, tick. I lean in, reel down a little bit just to pull up some slack. I feel a tick, tick, tick. I feel a hard tick. And instead of swinging or trying to set the hook like this, right, where my wrist goes like this, I turn my wrist and I swing to my left. Point it at the fish. Tick, 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 tick. You're going to go 90 degrees. Boom. And reel down. So you're going to pull up line as you're reeling and swinging. So you go to swing, you want to set the hook, you're reeling down that extra line, and the action of your arm is going to really set that hook. And then you're going to keep pressure on that fish and reel, reel, reel. So the main, and after that, I swear to whatever, man. I'm telling you, after I started swinging left, right? So I'm swinging 90 degrees to my hip and down, like I'm keeping the tip down, but I'm not dragging it on the ground. I'm keeping it above the ground as low as I can without hitting the tip on the ground. Swinging down, right? So what, I'm not sure if this is correct or not. So in my head, when I was swinging up or trying to set the hook up, what it was doing was the fish was like, "Hoy, I'm gonna grab this." And I go like this, "Hoy," and just send it out of its mouth. Now, what I think was happening when I was setting to my left, giving it the beans. My theory is what happens when you go to set it to the side like that and keep your rod low. Here's the fish. Oh, hum, hum, hum. And what you feel is the line, hum, 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 hum. This thing's just messing around with it. Rah, 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 rah. And when you go to set the hook up, it pulls it out, right? So it doesn't really hook it. But when you go like this, it changes the direction and sets the hook in the side of the fish's mouth. This is exclusively for extra wide gap hook. I hope this video helped out. Gotta go to bed.